In the next step, we're going to add our chiller wheels to the chiller. We highly recommend that you do this with 2 people, and we will show you how to do it. It's relatively simple. You just need a Phillips screwdriver. When you are handling your chiller, it is very important that you never tip it or lay it on any sides or upside down. Make sure the chiller remains upward, because that refrigerant, if it ever gets unsettled, you have to leave the chiller upright for 24 hours before you turn it on. Inside here you received 4 wheels and screws to hook it up. We're essentially going to have one person tilt the chiller, and it's okay to tilt it at this level. And another person will take 4 screws, and it's 4 screws per. Make sure that the screws go all the way in. When you receive the chiller, if you see some water inside the chiller and it's coming out, that's totally normal. We test every chiller before we ship it out, so there might be some residual water inside or in packaging, so it's totally normal. Within the chiller, you also received our Wi-Fi kit, purchased it with Wi-Fi option. If you did, there's a Wi-Fi module and an antenna that is already pre-assembled. We have a separate instruction sheet on how you can connect the Wi-Fi to your home router and for the app access and registration.